Accessory Management. After creating a new machine or loading an existing one, users can add and manage accessories from the general greater than accessory section. This section allows users to add new items to the machine configuration, edit descriptions, manage translations, assign items to accessory groups, creating a new accessory. To create a new item, click Add Accessory and enter the required information. After creation, the item must be assigned to an accessory group. This allows better organization and ensures that it is correctly managed within the software. Users can also modify the description and update the related settings from this section. Adding an accessory to a machine. When creating a new machine, no accessories are assigned by default. To add an item to the machine, open the Accessories section of the machine. Click Add Accessory. Select the required item from the available list. Click Confirm. The selected item will be added to the machine configuration. After adding it, click Edit to complete the configuration. Depending on the item type, users can add the price, define additional parameters, assign specific components when required. Paragraph management. Users can add or modify the machine paragraph and manage translations in different languages, including English, Italian, French, German. Paragraphs can be created either automatically or manually. By selecting Add Manual, users can enter a custom description such as a general machine overview. User can add a description, select an image, and click Save. For automatic descriptions of components such as compressors, fans, evaporators, etc., users can select predefined descriptions from the paragraph library. After completing the description, click Save to apply the changes. The Print Preview function allows users to check how the description will appear in the generated document, review the generated document. If necessary, update the description, add images, or define page breaks. Save the changes. Users can include additional information such as images or notes to improve the final documentation. Explore our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more insights.